Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So we've been drawing some animated character couples for the past few weeks. Last week, we drew Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps from the new Zootopia 2 movie. For a couple this week, we're going back to the classic 2D animated characters. And when I say classic, it really doesn't get any more classic than Fred and Wilma Flintstone. Hard to believe I've never drawn these two together before, but we're going to fix that today. Fred and Wilma are loosely based on Ralph and Alice Cramden from the wildly popular Honeymooners TV show for the 1950s. Starting in 1960, the Flintstones originally aired Friday nights at 8:30 and was aimed at adults and families, not kids, making it the first animated series to ever air on primetime. And here's a fun one. In its earliest seasons, the Flintstones was actually sponsored by Winston Cigarettes, with Fred and his pal Barney appearing in on-screen commercials lighting up and praising the brand, which is just wild to think about today. Anyways, as a reminder, everything I draw in these videos is the first time I'm drawing it. No practice. I say that to let you know that the Level Up cartooning process works, and it'll work for you too. Okay? So let's draw. We're going to draw Fred and Wilma step by step, giving you the secret process to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other lessons, then you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Fred, with his giant head, is a little over 2.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall you draw his head, his entire body is a little over 2.5 of those. Wilma, in this pose, is a little over 3 heads tall. As you can see, their proportions are vastly different. Fred is like a barrel, all big shapes, huge head, thick torso, chunky legs, while Wilma is very slim and elegant. In fact, Wilma's feet are actually no bigger than one of Fred's toes, which really shows the contrast when you draw them together. All right, so let's lay out our roadmap for today's pose of Fred and Wilma Flintstone. So there's our roadmap of Fred and Wilma. Now, before we go on to step 2, I want to break the characters down using simple shapes for those of you who want to screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing. Alright, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to place Fred and Wilma's eyes, noses, mouths, and other features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to keep them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Alright, so let's rough out the features for Fred and Wilma Flintstone. Alright, so there are the roughed out features of Fred and Wilma. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. This is where we get to draw the final details of Fred and Wilma Flintstone. And because we've already done all the hard work, we're not guessing anymore. Now's the time to slow down and clean up your lines and adjust anything that feels off before committing to those final lines. But even while you're drawing those final lines, you should still be looking for ways to improve your drawing all the way until the very end. Alright, so let's draw in the final details for Fred and Wilma Flintstone. And that's how you do it. There you have it, truly one of the most iconic couples in animated history, and the first couple of television animation, Fred and Wilma Flintstone. So how do you think you did? Understand, if this is the first time you've ever drawn Fred and Wilma, or either one of them, you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring these characters during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Fred and Wilma. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Fred and Wilma. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, yabba dabba doo, and keep drawing, my friends.